Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming whether the watch has a screw back or snap back. This determines the tool and direction. Once done, secure the case in a holder so the crystal faces down and won't flex. Place a dust-free cloth beneath, keep screws in a tray. For screw backs, align a case wrench with opposing notches. For snap backs, locate the small lip. Apply steady pressure and the correct turning motion, slow, controlled, to avoid slipping or scratching the bezel. Maintain visual focus through a loop as you start. Once the tool is engaged, continue methodically. For screw backs, use the wrench with light, repeated counterclockwise turns. Stop frequently to reposition and clear debris. For snapbacks, insert a thin blade at the lip and twist just enough to lift. Move around the perimeter rather than prying from one point to prevent deformation. Make sure the rubber gasket stays seated or is carefully removed and labeled. Keep tiny screws and springs in a numbered tray so you can reassemble in the original order. This preserves seals and alignment. You finish by inspecting the movement and performing the intended service, battery change or light cleaning, using plastic tweezers to avoid oils. Once done, reseat the gasket in its correct groove. If the gasket is old, replace it. Apply minimal silicone grease where manufacturer recommends, then close the back. Press snapbacks with an even closure tool and torque screwbacks to the specified turns. Finally, test function and check for obvious leaks. If the back won't seat, stop. A misaligned gasket often blocks closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.